This video tutorial I will explain how to navigate Windows using Start menu and Settings. What is the Start menu? The Start menu is the main tool to find and open apps, search your computer, and access important features. To open the Start menu, click on the Windows icon at the bottom left corner of your screen or press Windows key on your keyboard. Here you can see the Windows icon, click this, and this is the Start menu. Here you can see the search bar. You can type here to find apps, files or settings quickly. Here you can see the pinned apps. These are the apps you use most and you can click them to open or right click to remove or move. Click all apps to see every program installed in your computer in the alphabetical order. And here you can see the power button. Click the power icon to shut down, restart or put your computer on sleep. How to use Windows settings. Setting is where you go to change how your computer looks or works. To open settings, click the start menu, then click on gear icon or type settings in the search box or press Windows key plus I on your keyboard. Here you can see the gear button. Click on this to open the settings and it is opened. Here you can see the system and using this you can change display. You can change sound options, notifications, power and battery options, etc. Next one is Bluetooth and devices. You can add and remove printers. You can add Bluetooth devices and more. Next one is network and internet. You can set up Wi-Fi, mobile hotspot or troubleshoot internet problems. Next one is personalization. You can change your background, themes, colors. Next one is apps. You can see what is installed, remove or reset apps. Next one is accounts. You can manage user profiles, password and login options. Next one is time and language. You can set your date, time and language preference. Next one is privacy and security. You can control app permissions and protect your data. Next one is Windows Update. You can check for Windows updates, backup or recovery options. Tips for the beginners. First one is use the search bar. If you don't know where something is, just type it in the search bar. Next point is access frequently used apps. Use the start menu daily to open your most used apps. Next point is customize your experience. Visit settings if you want to customize anything or fix an issue. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.